Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here, coming to you with another new and exciting product from the team here at Speedwerx. Today we're going to talk about spider nuts for the Polaris P-85 primary clutches. This particular piece in front of me is just an old used P-85 we have around the shop for kind of fitting stuff up. But I'm going to get into a lot of details here on this and what's going on. But if you like what you see and you're like, I need that, I've been waiting for this my whole life, just click the link below. Take you right to our website. You guys can order it. You can read up on it, do everything you want to do there. Getting down to it. This is a version of a stock one, and you can see stock, and those of you familiar with it, I mean, P-85 has been around since like 1985, so it's been around forever. But the stock one, they use these nuts, or on the, sorry, they obviously use a nut, but on the nut, they use these notches, and then they have a special socket that locks into those pins. Guys that have worked on them a lot know that the socket likes to pop out of here. It likes to round the edges off. The number one reason and the most important thing for us doing this, and this is from all of our experience with, snowcross racing, cross-country racing, and our Iron Dog guys, you can see on this nut, and you'll see it a lot of times, but you'll see these wear marks from the primary spring. Well, when this thing's spinning, 8,000–9,000 RPM, that spring is doing anything but sitting still. It's in there bouncing around, moving around. It's doing anything but sitting still, and then it's compressing back and forth nonstop, and it's wobbling due to the RPM, and then that spring rubs on here. Well, it's got all these sharp edges for it to catch, and it's not all the time. It's not a 100% thing, but we definitely see improved spring life with this when we get rid of these notches. So what we're doing with our primary nuts is we go to a more, I'm not going to say more common, but just a different style nut where it's fully encapsulated here, and we reduced all these sharp edges and stuff. So you'll have our new P-85 nut that'll go on here. It just has it's a lot sleeker, and it has a lot smoother surfaces. It gives more room for the spring, and then that spring's not going to catch those sharp edges, and you're going to get increased primary spring life. You will have to get one of our spider nut sockets that'll fit on it. But again, now you have contact in 5–6 different surface areas instead of 4. It's not going to round that out and stuff too. So easier to work with. And then the main thing behind this is improving that primary spring life. They're $39.95 each. They're heat treated. They're hardened. They're zinc plated. They're 100% made in the USA. And like it fits P-85s from 1985 to 2024. It'll replace the stock nut. The stock nut number, if you're not sure, is a 5020425. You're breaking primary clutch springs on a P-85. This is something you might want to look at because it could very well be what's going on. If you're racing snowcross, cross-country, Iron Dog, any long-distance stuff, or you're just a hard trail rider and you want to have the baddest stuff you can get your hands on, this nut is another piece to that puzzle, and the Speedwerx team is proud to bring it to you. So if you guys got any questions, give us a call. Check it out online. We'll talk to you soon.